Ever wondered what happens to your turbo when it's caught in a car fire or a barn fire or something like that? Well, unfortunately, we've had a GBT that's come back from just that. So we're gonna take it apart and see what's salvageable. Now the turbo's apart, Harry's gonna blast the turbine housing and the bearing housing, and we're gonna see what sort of condition they turn out to be. So while he's blasting up the bearing housing, let's have a look at the state of some of the other components. I've absolutely no idea what this is here. This is just something that's obviously melted and seeped into it. It's kind of plasticky and yeah, don't really know what's going on there. And obviously that was once red, so I don't think we're going to be able to do anything with this. But however, the turbine housing has actually cleaned up really well. So kudos to Zerkatech, because I mean, it was white, and it's now black, but it looks like it's kind of held up in the fire. This is going to be an interesting one because, as you can see, this does not look its best. Let's see if we can save it. On a scale of 1 to 10, how satisfying is this right now?
100.